No, my channel's not turning into a cooking channel. Don't worry.
Hello class and welcome to today's episodes of Eating Our Feelings While in Quarantine. Meat. Pork loin rib roast.
And now to voiceover because the fridge started making noise. Let's begin. Grab your roasting pan and some garlic. Salt and pepper. Ignore the close-up.
Recording? You are recording.
Onion. Okay. Make sure there's nothing in it. Set your oven on 400 degrees. Get a knife. Remove your roast from the packaging. Toss aside. Put it in the pan. Nope, can't see it. Get a cutting board. Put it on a cutting board. Poke 4 holes in your meat. Prime rib roast. Pork sirloin roast. I forgot already. Anyway, make 4 holes about halfway through. You're gonna take 4 cloves of garlic. I'm gonna take the little base off it. You're gonna take the little skin off it. And you're going to shove it in the meat, giving your roast a heart of garlic. Now this roast needs 4 hearts of garlic. So do this 4 times. How's your self-isolation going? How's your self-isolation going? Once you get those in there, put the scraps aside. Now put it in the pan. Dramatically. Put that aside. Realize you need it and get it again. Cut up some of your onion and put it around for flavoring. Ta-da! Add some water to the pan so it doesn't boil dry. How much? I did about 1.5 knuckles. Now, seasoning. Get out your trusted garlic powder. Sprinkle liberally. Salt. Pepper. I did that backwards. Google to see if there's any other spices you can add that you might have. None? Okay. Put it in the oven. Like so. Alright, I'll see you in 15 minutes. Now, we wait. We wait. And it's been about 15 to 20 minutes later, and I am back. I'm going to take it out of the oven, and I'm going to baste it. And there it is, starting to get a little golden on top. I'm also going to turn the oven down to about 350. Why am I doing this? Because I was told to. Took a spoon, just kind of gave it some of its own good stuff right over the top. And back in the oven we go. I set my timer on 30-minute intervals, so about every 30 minutes I would open up, take it out, and then douse it with another glorious douse of its own juices. I don't know why the skin fell off, but it did. Take your thermometer, stick it in, do not touch the bone, and do not touch the pan. And check your temperature. If it's not up to stuff, put it back in the oven, give it a bit more time. Better overcooked than undercooked. Once it's ready, take it out of your pan, pop it on your chopping block, and slice yourself off a nice clean slice. moment now. Try and figure out how to get around the bone, because you can't go through the bone. And you're not exactly sure what you're doing, but you're trying to get a chunk off. So, keep cutting, keep looking. Get frustrated and just pry one loose. Perfect. Edit it so it looks like you did it in one cut. Gorgeous. Now to the taste test. Not bad. It's simple, it's basic, it's not complicated, and that's okay. Yep, definitely gonna do this one again. Well, that's it for another week. Hopefully I'll have something besides cooking next week. And I will see all of you on the flip side. Keep safe. Bye! What, did you expect me to plate this? No, I'm in quarantine. I'm gonna eat this right off the cutting board.